Kamaraj Salai of Puducherry, and let's just zoom in to see what is the situation here. It's absolutely heartbreaking to see people stuck in waters. The locals here tell that they've been struggling in this kind of water from around 4 a.m. in the morning, and that a lot of people are still stuck inside. They're still waiting for help. They want evacuation teams to come and help them get out of this place, because it's proving very difficult. A lot of children, a lot of women, a lot of elderly people are there. Even I am standing in water which is almost up to my hip, and there is a lot of people here who are saying that there's been no food, there's been no electricity, a lot of things that they have been suffering from last night. But the reason for this is purely because of the landfall, because the IMD clearly stated that the landfall is happening near Puducherry, and since it happened near Puducherry is the worst, has faced the worst impact due to the landfall, and rains and heavy winds blew throughout the night when the landfall was happening, and that is why we can see this situation. And now you can see just now a JCP entered the area and they are evacuating people. Like you can see, they're carrying people and they are bringing them out so that they will be taken out to relief camps for safety purposes. Let's try and get in some word from locals. Sir, நீங்க இங்க எவ்வளவு வருஷமா இருக்கீங்க? இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய நடக்குமா? எப்பவுமே மழை பெஞ்சா?
இது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் மேடம். இந்த மாதிரி இதுவரையும் வந்ததே கிடையாது. இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைமு. பட் பாண்டிச்சேரியை பொறுத்தவரை தண்ணி ஸ்டாக்னஸ் வரும், பட் உடனே வந்துட்டு வடிஞ்சிடும். ஒரு 1 hour 2 hourல வடிஞ்சிடும். இந்த மாதிரி நின்று நாங்கள் பார்த்ததே இல்லை.
He says like this is the first time something like this is happening, and it's very scary, and that is why they are unable to come out of the situation. They are clueless as to what next until some help comes their way. Sir, சாப்பாட்டுக்கெல்லாம் உள்ள இருக்கிற மக்கள் மாட்டிட்டு இருக்கு. எவ்வளோ மக்கள் இருப்பாங்க இங்க? என்ன ஒரு
இங்கே வந்து வெங்கடா நகர், ரெயின்போ நகர், காமராஜர் நகர், அந்த 45 feet எக்ஸ்டென்ஸ் அந்த பக்கம் வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு வெங்கடேஸ்வரா நகர், பாலாஜி நகர், so many
streets around here. How many people approximately, sir? Oh, okay. He says that almost 30,000-40,000 of people live in the surroundings here, which has almost 10-15 colonies, and that is why evacuation is so important at this point of time. No food, no power. People are completely stuck here, and that is why help is necessary at this point of time. This is really scary to see, and we are also trying to reach the officials at this point of time to immediately bring in help. This JCP that just came here is only the first step. There's so much more that the people of these areas, Kamarajar Salai in Pondicherry, actually need at this point of time. You can see families standing upstairs everywhere. When we tried and asked them why they are standing upstairs, they said their houses are in smaller lanes here, and water came in last night and they had to rush with their children and some at least 4-5 pairs of clothes, and they had to climb up these buildings so that they could stay in safer places. They've been standing and sitting the entire night because it's somebody else's house. There's no place for stay also. So the only way is to evacuate all of these people and take them to relief camps and give them food, shelter, and basic other necessities that they will be needing at this point. So we will only see how the government is going to react at this point and take immediate cognizance and ensure that all of these people belonging to all these areas are safe and secure at this point of time, because the prediction says more rains can come, because cyclone Fenjal, which came across the coast, is still stationed near Puducherry. It has still not moved away. For the past 6 hours, it's staying still near Puducherry. So if it's starting to move, then it's going to still affect Puducherry. So all of this has to be cleared at the earliest.
Okay, all right. Stay with us, Varshini. Let's also play out for our viewers a report that you had filed earlier. You saw the situation in some parts of Puducherry where knee-deep waters still stay, so several houses have also been completely cut off, with even basic essentials not being available at the moment. Take a look at this report.
As a cyclone Fenjal was making landfall yesterday, and the landfall happened for around 4 to 5 hours, which started at around 7 p.m. last night, and it went on till midnight. And during this time, heavy rains lashed Puducherry, because as the IMD also stated, the landfall happened near to Puducherry, which means Puducherry had the maximum impact. There were heavy rains and extremely heavy gutsy winds that was blowing, which has turned the place, Union Territory of Puducherry upside down. Like you can see, roads are completely inundated, waterlogged, and you can see cars literally submerged according to their heights in the water. I am here standing in water that is hip deep. I can ask my camera person to zoom in so that you can see how people on the other end are literally walking, struggling in hip deep water. The lady right in front of us is literally taking a bicycle along with her. She's pushing her bicycle, which is clearly submerged at this point of time. It is not even visible anymore. It is that deep in water. People are very struggling to come out, and we can see people standing all over the top floors of several buildings because all of their houses which is in the ground floors are all inundated with water, and they're not able to stay there, and they've all moved to floors upside. When we tried to get a word from the people standing upstairs, they told us that their houses are in some lanes inside, and that it was inundated last night, and they had to immediately evacuate and come to a higher floor just to stay safe because they have children along with them. This is Valalar Street that we are standing right now. Let's try and get in a word since people are continuously coming in and going out. ஆனா இந்த ஏரியா எப்பவுமே மழை பெஞ்சா இப்படி தான் ஆகுமா?
எப்பவுமே இந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. இப்போதான் இந்த மாதிரி இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பெஞ்ச மழையில கூட ஒரு இதோட முடிஞ்சிடும். இப்போனா ஃபுல்லா ஏறி போயிருக்கு. ரொம்ப மழை தானா இது.
உள்ள ஏதாவது மக்கள் மாட்டிட்டு இருக்காங்க அந்த
எல்லாமே இருக்கிறாங்க. ஆனா ரெண்டாவது மாடி வீடு கட்டி வச்சனால அவங்க மேல இருக்காங்க. நாங்களே வெளிய வந்து ரூம்ல எடுத்து தங்கி இருக்கோம்.
So he says that this is not the scenario every time. This is a one-off incident, and it's very scary. There are a lot of people who've stuck inside and who has not got any help so far. There are a lot of women and elderly people who are not able to come out. People like him are able to come out and try and get access to the main roads to some shops. Let's try to speak to some other people here. Sir, you are a social worker, Ilya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the situation here? Are people stuck? Is there any food or anything else that is reaching the people?
இப்போ மக்களுக்கு வந்து எல்லாம் இந்த தண்ணிக்குள்ளே மாட்டின்னு இருக்கிறதுனால ரெயின்போ நகரில் இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு சாப்பாடு இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு அதுக்கு அவசியமாக அது சாப்பாடு வேணும். அவங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ளே தண்ணி ஏறி இருக்கிறவங்களாம் வெளியில் அவங்க வந்து கொஞ்சம் சேஃபாக ஏதாவது நிவாரண முகாம் மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு வச்சு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா இந்த தண்ணி ஓடிற வரைக்கும் அவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்.
போட்ஸ் இல்லை வேறு ஏதாவது ரெஸ்கியூக்கு NDRF டீம் SDRF டீம் யாராவது வந்திருக்காங்களா?
இது வரைக்கும் யாரும் வரல. அந்த மாதிரி போட்ஸ் எடுத்துன்னு வந்து அவங்கள மீட்பு பண்ணி கொண்டு வர மாதிரி இது வரைக்கும் யாரும் இன்னும் வரல. இதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு கொஞ்சம் இதை கொஞ்சம் சொல்லும்பொழுது அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க வருவாங்க.
Okay. So he says that there are a lot of people stuck and there is no relief or rescue operations that have begun here. This Rainbow Nagar is very affected at this point of time. A lot of people are still stuck and are still confused as to how to come out of their houses. So they request through us that if some boats or if some rescue people, workers come here and evacuate the people here and take them to some relief camp, or if there is any food that is delivered to these people, they can survive in these houses, is what the people here tell us. It definitely looks very scary at this point, though the rains have stopped, but still predictions say that this cyclone Fangil, according to IMD, is still stationed near Puducherry, though they are stating that it will move southwards, but still it is not moved. For the past 6 hours, apparently the cyclone is still stationed near Puducherry, which is still an alert that has been issued for Puducherry because it's already in a very bad and pathetic state, and if the rains or if the winds are going to continue, then it could even worsen the situation, and that is why people here demand help, people here seek for help so that they go to safer places if at all Cyclone Fangil is to bring more additional rains or more additional damage to the Union Territory of Puducherry. This is Vashni Ramu along with Vijay Jaiprakash from Rainbow Nagar for Times Network.